Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I'm your mentor Shikha. Today we will create a very easy goodie bag. I know it's the festival season and you want to gift things to your friends and family members, so let's create these simple goodie bags with origami paper. Let's start. The material required is just a paper. We require any handmade paper, some washi tapes. To start with it, we will take any paper but into a size of a square. I am making a big goodie bag, so what I have done is I have taken the size of 10 by 10 inches. So you have to take any square. The first step is to fold it diagonally to make a cross sign on it. And you all know creases are important. Second step is to repeat on the other side. Now we'll make a plus sign. So we get a cross sign and a plus sign. Now what we'll do is we'll fold it in the shape of a triangle. So just fold these two sides inside. Now the pointed side at the bottom and just fold it randomly on this line. Take the first flap and fold it with this line. It should not go outside with this line in symmetry. Repeat it on the other side. Now turn it back. We'll repeat the same steps on the other side. Now open this bottom part. Slowly put your hand inside and make it a crease. Open it on the crease. Now fold this part inside on one side and on the other side. We'll take this and put this inside this to secure the edges. Same, we'll do it on this side. And our goodie bag is ready. Now what we'll do is we'll take any paper, just crush it, put it at the bottom. Put your gift inside. Maybe adding some candies. And a simple gifting ideas are ready. Do give it a try, share it with your family and friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye everyone, take care, stay happy and stay safe.